Hello, everyone out there in our special green cleaning world. This is JP from Procyon. Welcome, greeting you from near Seattle. Fall has fallen. It is pouring down rain behind me, and this all brings to mind change of seasons, changes in our lives. In our family life right now, we have had tremendous change in that two of our three children one's been married and one's going to be married Saturday this week. And so there's a lot going on in my head about change. And it does also bring me to the business of green cleaning and continuing to bring you the best soap-free, detergent-free, safe cleaning solutions and soap-free Procyon. So as I often like to do, I want to offer a couple of quotes that I've stumbled upon as I'm considering the theme of change in my life, both personal and business. This one is from Deepak Chopra, and he says, all great changes are preceded by chaos. And this really resonates with me, and it may with you as well, because when we look back upon the last 4+ years of our life, starting with the COVID lockdown in 2019, there's a lot of chaos that's been around us the last 4 years in every little bit of our lives. Our home life, our health, those of our friends, our clients, economics. But in this cleaning industry, things continue to roll on. Everything still needs to be cleaned almost every day. And so we're here to support, and we applaud the efforts of those of you in the cleaning industry who are working hard every day to bring the best results and who are committed to bringing healthy results to our customers. And that goes for our household users as well. We at Soap Free Procyon are completely committed to continuing to bring you the healthiest possible cleaning solutions. And for our professionals, we're committed to bringing you continued quality product that protects your health as you are working with these chemicals, as we say, or solutions every day to bring your customers best results. So over the past 4 years in our business, we've been facing tremendous supply chain challenges like many, many businesses. And along with those supply chain challenges have come considerable, substantial increases in prices. I'm happy to report that after hard work over the past 18 months, we have secured a much better source of supply that we're hoping to have a consistent pricing on and availability of our core materials that help us bring you this safe, wonderful product that my brother Bob and I are so committed in the absence of our founder, Ivan Day. It's been over 4 years now that Ivan passed, but our mission continues to bring you this wonderful product. So what you're going to see over the next 6 months, there are going to be some changes to, in particular, our Plus Powder product. We appreciate your patience as the cost and prices have increased, but we're going to now be able to slowly bring back the cost. And we hope to see that first change in the next couple of months, and certainly by January 1st. It's going to mean some changes in our packaging, changes in how we prepare material, changes for our employees. So we're working through all that because, as you know, change is difficult. Even simple changes can be confusing and challenging, but we're committed to working through these changes for the betterment of our clients, their customers and their households, their commercial customers, and the health of everybody and our world. So we're going to keep rolling it out, but hopefully we're going to be able to contain that cost and assure the continuity of being able to deliver this product to you. So now that summer's over, remember, it's a great time to do the deep cleaning. So call in. If you're a householder, call in your trusted professional that uses Soap Free Procyon and have them do a deep cleaning. You've been barefooting all summer, and I know that the wet sloppy's coming, but now's a good time. Here comes some rain right there. You can probably see it on the screen, but I'm going to stick this out to the end of the podcast. And in between cleanings, remember again that 85% of the soil in your house is within 15 feet of your front door. So a thorough vacuuming, as you often heard me talk about, is the best thing you can do to preserve your very expensive carpet and flooring. And you do that by positioning forward and pulling back your vacuum cleaner slowly. Okay, remember that. The pull back stroke is your cleaning stroke. So let me close with a couple more quotes for you. This is from James Baldwin. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it's faced. I love that one. And finally, this is from the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu. If you do not change direction, you might end up where you are heading. So let's all carefully consider where we're heading in this season of change. If nothing else, please head to our website at soapfreeprocyon, Procyon.com. You can find all our products there, also helpful tips and tricks for cleaning. And we look forward to continuing to serve you. This is JP from Procyon wishing you health, happiness, and success. Enjoy your fall. Take care.